Hello kids, let's practice reading. Are you ready? Let's get started. At family, bet, get, jet, let, met, yet, net, pet, set, vet, wet, zet. It is a net. It is a net. My pet is a hen. My pet is a hen. Get the wet net. Get the wet net. Set the net in the jet. Set the net in the jet. Ag family. Bag, fag, hag, jag, lag, nag, rag, sag, tag, wag. Dad has a bag. Dad has a bag. The bag has a tag. The bag has a tag. Rag in the bag. Rag in the bag. The hag sag in the mat. The hag sag in the mat. An family. Ban, fan, can, man, pan, dan, ran, tan, van. Dan has a van. Dan has a van. The man has a fan. The man has a fan. Jan has a fan. Jan has a fan. The man ran. The man ran. Am family. Bam, dam, ham, jam, pam, tam, jam, ram, Sam. Sam had a yam. Sam had a yam. Bam has a yam. Bam has a yam. It is a ham for Tam. It is a ham for Tom. Ram on the dam. Ram on the dam.